Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely.
It's a midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fade into view. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And then we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back.
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
We never go out of style, we never go out of style. Take me out, just take me out. Yeah, just take me out. Oh, you got that JD.
Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Work. It's me have you work. It's no time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel
slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You could spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
You send me a bit work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Work. You send me a bit work. You see me do me da. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touch me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep and decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
something that you never see, something that you never be. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. You see me do me da. Tell me about that
Yeah, okay, you need to get done.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You could spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
You send me a bit work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that Nobody touch me in the
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody
Apply a second layer of gel polish. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
You lied to me, told me you would never leave. Just words that you say, that you know you really do mean.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Wish I could take it all back. Just give me back my feelings.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
Oh, how could you be so cold? Lie right to my face. Oh, yeah. How could you do that? Boy, you did me bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Decisions you made. Did you ever think of me?
goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Foolish young.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
You wasn't faithful. How could you?
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
You do that? Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back?
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. Your loving is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, no man can test me, invest me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY, how-to, making money online, all in one vid at home, saving money with my self-care nail day. And now I'm finished with my simple and easy nail art design.